A new medicine aimed at treating early onset Alzheimer's was recently approved by the FDA. Local organizations say it's a step in the right direction, but they are pushing for more accessibility. Today I learned more about the new medicine and how it could help. Her aunt, grandfather, and baby sister.
I discovered in my family that it was extremely heavy.
Her cousins and other family members as well. Some died with the disease, others are still living with it. Beverly Ball knows firsthand the toll Alzheimer's can take on a family.
It's just a difficult process, and if you don't know about the disease and you're not educated well enough, you're going to have some problems.
Ball is the executive director of Alzheimer's Diversity Outreach Services here in Tulsa. She told me it's her personal connection to the progressive and degenerative brain disease that makes her so passionate about her work. And it's people like Ball's sister dealing with the early stages of Alzheimer's that are the target of a new drug called Leqembi.
The clinical evidence is seeming to show that it can slow down cognitive decline for people who are in the mild cognitive impairment or early stage of dementia for people who are living with Alzheimer's disease.
Jacob Guinan is the community outreach coordinator for the Oklahoma chapter of the Alzheimer's Association. He says the FDA approved the new drug January 6th.
It is really exciting because it's only the second FDA-approved drug that tries to treat the underlying cause of Alzheimer's disease and try to clear out some of the amyloid protein from the brain.
For Peggy Marsh, who's worked with caregivers for decades, she says it brings hope.
Trying to make each day a better way to live rather than the dread and the fear and the hopelessness. I think that sets the tone for each day that they live, and each day is important.
But a major concern is the cost. Right now, Medicaid won't cover the drug, and at more than $26,000 a year out of pocket, it's not accessible to many families.
I just think that's going to be the biggest issue, is getting this medication into the hands of those that need it.
The Alzheimer's Association submitted a formal request asking the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services to provide full coverage for the new drug. The Alzheimer's Association says more than 70,000 people right here in Oklahoma are suffering from the disease. They say while the new medication is very costly, it's a step in the right direction.
But I think it provides hope for everyone because it is the biggest reduction in clinical decline we've seen from any clinical trials on an Alzheimer's drug. And hopefully it is a first step in the right direction to getting even more treatments that will help people even more in the future.
Alzheimer's Diversity Outreach Services is hosting its 19th annual Out of Africa event. They'll provide education and empowerment for people suffering from Alzheimer's and their families. We have more information on that on our website at KJRH.com.
Now, Alzheimer's affects so many Oklahomans, not just the more than 70,000 living with it, but according to the Alzheimer's Association, also the more than 129,000 serving as family caregivers. They estimate more than 2,000 people over 65 may transition every day to the more advanced stage of the disease. And at that point, they're no longer eligible for antibody targeting treatments being tested. Leqembi was approved through the FDA's accelerated approval pathway. It's for drugs that treat serious conditions and fulfill an unmet medical need. The company announced plans to submit to the FDA for traditional approval soon.